Sometimes when you use P2P line to go around an object on your screen that you don't want to stitch over, you get all the way around, and then when you get to the last point that you want to click and you zoom in and you look very carefully, you will often see, and most likely you will see, when the point where you started and the point where you ended will not be connected. And I've had questions about, well, I turn on the end snap, but I can't get that to snap there. Well, there's a reason for that. I'm just going to put some things on the screen using Alt-L, which is P2P line. And by the way, I do have the P2P icon, the tool here, set for P2P line. Have it set for P2P line. So I will put a few points on, and then I'll show you what happens when you get to the end. So I hit Alt-L. That gives me the P2P line. Now, neither grid snap or end snap has been turned on, so I'll just put some points on the, like I'm going around some kind of an object that's I don't want to stitch over. I get up to the end. See, every once in a while, if I try to click the same spot twice, I'm going to continue putting these in here and get to the end. And it looks like it might be connected, but it probably is not. So I just right click to get out of the drawing the P2P line. I zoom in. Okay. These points are not connected. So you have a couple of, you can either use this segment or this segment and connect them. But if you click on any place, click on this one to try to select it by itself, it selects everything. That means that all of these are connected and it is one pattern. What can I do? I can right click, get my nodes, select this point right there, hit the D key to divide it. Now it's an individual pattern. I can turn on the end snap, grab this node and snap it to the end of the segment. You see, everything else is connected except that one small piece that I divided out. If I wanted to, I could select this, hold down the Control key and select the rest of it, right click, combine patterns. Now when I click inside there, it selects everything because now it is one pattern, and it will start and go this way and end there. I can show you that. See, that's the way it's going to go. And it will stitch all the way around and go right back to the beginning. Okay, there it is. And it doesn't make any difference if you're using this with the mouse using Alt-L or if you're using it with the head of the machine. I'll just select the P2P icon and use the head of the machine to put in some points. And I know when I get to the last point and I stop, I know that last little segment will not be connected. I'll exit out of this. I'm going to delete this pattern. I zoom in, look at it. Again, I can select it, get my nodes, right click. Here I want to try and snap this to there. But this is something that happens, and you don't know why it happens, but it will happen to you. I want to show you something here. Select this, get the nodes again. I want to try to end snap this. I'll turn on the end snap. Oh, where in the world did it go? It went way up there. Why did it go there? Because this is actually an ending. It did not go to that point, so turn off the end snap. Grab your and bring it back down. Bring it over here. Hit the D key to divide it right there. Get it. Turn on the end snap. Now it works. So this is snapped, and you will not have a gap as you do many times when you go around something and stitch it out. So maybe that will help explain a little bit about trying to connect the starting point and the ending point of something that you have used P2P line to go around. Maybe this will help.